guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my horizontal layout classic size happy planner that I use for journaling. I have been using mine for journaling the past week, the one that I decorated for you guys last week, so I'm eager to decorate this week. I did make a mistake, and I hadn't decorated the last week in August, and I accidentally decorated it on my last plan with me for, it was supposed to be the week of September 2nd. So I just made myself a note. When I'm looking back through this journal, I'll know that the week of September 2nd is actually in August under the August divider, if that makes sense. Okay, so we are now decorating for the week of September 9th through the 15th, and we're going to use Autumn Ambiance. These are some stickers that are available in my shop. My boxes, my decorative stickers, and my quotes are all 50% off. So let's see what we can do with this spread. And I think I want to do some clusters like I've been doing, or like I did in my dashboard layout. So I want to do maybe like a cluster here and a cluster here. So kind of go between the days. And then we'll do a cluster here maybe. I don't know. Let me think this through. One of my oldest son's friends is out here working on his boat, and all I can hear now is him working on his boat. There and there. And then maybe we'll do one here. So we'll just do like 3 clusters. Let's just try that and see what that looks like. So I'm going to cut this little shelf down, and thinking I'm going to lay it here. Actually, might start over this way. And let's see, I do want to incorporate some of this orange grid washi. This is some that I've had in my collection for quite a while now, and I don't remember where I got it from. But I did mention in my last video that Amazon has been pretty good about stocking different types of washi tape now, whereas used to it was really hard to find good washi on Amazon. So just check Amazon for all your different washi options. I don't know. I kind of wish that I'd have laid this washi underneath here. So that's what we're going to try to do. I almost feel like I need to do like a shredded piece. Let's try something different that I haven't tried yet. Let's lay the straight line of the washi up instead of down. And then I kind of want to white out the gray line. So we're going to white out the gray line. I don't know what my dogs are barking at. Everybody decides to be noisy whenever it's time to film, of course. All right, so now I do need to rip this actually. And so now I need to get some undo because I whited out too much. Get some undo and a little, I'm just going to use a washcloth, like a dusting rag, because I don't have a cotton ball right here with me. But this undo will remove your whiteout tapes. So it just takes it right off. Okay. So we'll wait for that to dry while we're thinking about what else we want to use for this cluster. I think I'm going to take a box, and I believe I want to use a gray box. So we're going to do a long box. Not the longest one I have though. And then I'm going to white out this line. Okay. And then maybe let's do, I really like the typewriter. Let's do another piece of washi. We're going to lay the typewriter down. I actually think I'm going to go up a little bit. The typewriter is that wide, so we're going to just kind of rip it here and cut this edge off. Actually, I'm going to slide it over a little bit. Okay, it's a little bit crooked, but it's all right. No, it's not. I'm going to fix it. I don't like crookedness. Okay, so now we're going to take the typewriter, just kind of lay it here. And I'm going to pick up the edge of this box and lay it over top of the typewriter sticker. All right, perfect. And then why don't we take a fall vibe sticker and maybe make this cluster extend all the way down the page. I think that would be cute. Yeah, that's really cute. And then why don't we take a piece of washi and go this way. So we're going to cut this one down the middle again. I'm going to put this one the right way with the flat side on the bottom. I mean, there is no right or wrong way, but you know what I mean. Okay, perfect. Look how cute that is. All right, so are there some little things that I can put in here? What are some little things? You could always do this little decor piece right here. Okay, look how cute that is. I don't like that because there's all in a line. So we're going to pull that up. I'm going to try to pull this up. No, I guess I'm not. It's stuck. Maybe we'll just put this over here. Yeah, that's cute there. Okay, now let's go to the other side. I was going to try to incorporate some of this washi. I'm not sure if I will or not. So now we're going to, what did I say I was going to do? I'm going to try, why don't we just try to make another, like the same thing on this side that I did. Kind of not the same exact thing, but you get what I'm saying. So let's take some washi. Oh, I already have a piece. And let's lay it this way. And I think we'll go just like we did on the other side. So this way. Cut this edge off. That's way off. Let's just try to fix that. And then we're going to white out that gray line too. I should have done that while I had it up. Okay. Oh, that steak's smelling good. I'm hungry. Okay. I want to tear this some more. Of course, I whited out already, and now I'm going to have to use my undo again. I just cannot rip with these fingernails. Probably going to end up covering that up anyways. I hope I do because that's just ugly. Anywho, let's take and put this over here. Yeah, we're going to definitely cover up that little blender. I don't like that. So let's put this over here. Let's see, what did we do? Let's go here. And then we'll take a box and go down that way. And I think we're going to take this kind of reddish brown looking color. And I cannot see how to line that up. Maybe it's straight, maybe it's not. I don't know. We'll find out. It is not. So I'll straighten it up just a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Now let's go here and put another piece of washi. Actually, I'm going to go here. Yep, I'm going to go there. I just want things to be a little bit different, not the exact same as the other side. And I'm going to cut this straight so I don't have to try to cut with my X-Acto and make it too short again. There we go. And then I think I may put some over here. Like that. Nope, we have that there. So let's come down and do it on the bottom down here. And I just realized I did that the opposite way. Oh well, it's fine. I'm not going to worry about it. It's not that noticeable. Because on the other ones, I did the line, like the straight edge of the washi. I did it upside down. I'm not going to deal with it. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to let it get me. I'm not going to let it get my OCD. My literal OCD. I'm not joking about that. Some people get offended. I'm not joking about it. Okay. Now, what can we do here? I really want to use this. So I think I'm going to use 2 long boxes on this side. So I think we're going to put a cat here. We're going to pick this box up. I ripped that, but you're not going to be able to tell. So it'll be fine. Okay, and then I'm going to take, I guess it's going to be this color. Long box. Or am I? I am. We're going to put it here. Like that. And then I really want the blanket with the book, like right in here. Let's pick the edge of this up. Okay. All right. And now we can use Hello Fall somewhere. There. I need something to go in here. This looks too odd to me. So let's try a gray box. Is that straight? I think that's crooked. Yeah, it's crooked. And then we're going to white out here. Okay, that's a lot. But now I feel like I need another box over here. So we're going to stagger another box right down here. And I think I'm going to use this orangish brown color. And I think we're just going to lay it right here. So let's white out the lines, the colors behind. Okay. All right, that looks better. Okay, so this is really cute. We're getting there. Should I try to put some of this brown colored washi in? I'm not fully convinced, you guys. But we can certainly try it. So let's try it here. Not too bad. Not perfect, but not too bad. It kind of just fills in some of these white spots. And then I think I'll put a little bit under here. Under here is where I was talking about. My bad. And it actually doesn't look terrible with the orange washi hanging out below it. So I think I'm going to leave it. Okay, and then on this side, I don't know what to do on this side. I kind of want some up here. And then maybe, I don't know where to put any over here, unless we just kind of put some here. Maybe a little bit under this box. To the edge. Yeah, it's still cute. It's really cute. I feel like something's missing up here. So let me see if I can grab this little candle sticker and just stick it right in here. That looks better to me. It fills in a little bit of that empty spot. Okay, this is really cute. I like the way this turned out. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. And if you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. I'm just looking to see if there's anywhere I can use this lonely little book sticker. I don't see anywhere that I can use it. Unless I use it. Just kidding. Y'all thought the video was over. It's not. Let's try to stick this here. And put the books over here. Covers up Thursday a little bit. But look, I used a whole sticker sheet. Okay, so yeah. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. My next set of videos, or next videos that are going to be coming this week will be budgeting and syncing funds and cash envelope related. So make sure you stay tuned for those. So that is it for this video. Head over to my website, pleasantlyplanned.com, and pick up your decorative box and quote stickers for 50% off. So I will see you guys on my next video. I thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye, y'all.